good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury hustle, mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? What's good, guys? Hey, I just wanted to sit up here and shoot this video. I was at home watching the Sunday Ticket, guys, and I had a $500 commission that came through. All from the good people of Put an Easy One Up. And guys, I wanted to just show you this here, just to let you know here that you can have these type of commissions that come directly to your PayPal account. I said I wanted to show a lot more proof when it comes to making money online. You know, I'm always telling you guys about things and talking about programs, but then you always get the people that are skeptical. You know, I always show you guys, that I'm okay. I had people write me telling me that I didn't make money, that my car was rented and everything like that, guys. And as you can see, we're still in the same type of car, man. We're still in the same type of car. So my car's not rented. You know what? Me going into my house, like now, just showing proof. They told me I stayed in an apartment. I got my garage door opener, man. See that? My garage door opener. Two cars, man. Two cars. But people always hate online. That's just how it goes, man. So it is what it is. So I just really want to show you guys that this is real, man. All from a company that literally pays out 100% commissions, right? And as I mentioned, I like for people to be educated. I like for them to have these type of, have educational platforms, things that are actually teaching them how to make money online. It's going to help them make money, as opposed to, dealing with some marketer that also is in the same program with you, and they're going out and they're pretty much not giving you all the training because they know that you're going to be the competition. So guys, I really wanted to just let you guys know that this is real, that you can go out here, and these are platforms that I'm using that is helping me at the end of the day. These are really helping me, as far as marketing and training and different learning, that you can get, educational products that you can get on that at the product levels, so the $25 level, $100 level, $250, $500, $1,000, I mean, guys, it's crazy how the income that you can make with this company, man. It's insane. I literally have shot multiple videos. I've shown you guys hangouts about the company with, the different teams and stuff that are involved. Just letting you know that this is real, and you can also make this type of income as well. And guys, you can make money online and do things that you want to do, drive things that you want to drive, live like you want to live. You can do it. Not everyone is rich. So I know you probably get used to I did this and now I'm a millionaire. Not everybody is a millionaire, but some people are okay. Some people are really doing their thing online, and it is what it is, and we just want to put you in the situation and put you in a place, in a position where you can do that as well. So I'm gonna leave a link at the bottom for you to check out this powerful income system, this powerful income stream system, whatever you want to call it, man. I just want you to check it out, okay? So you guys know what's up. I was at home, like I said, watching my Sunday Ticket. I'm about to get back here. I'm going to pick up the pizza and pick up the dip because the Chiefs game is about to come on, and you know how it is with the KC Chiefs with us. So it is what it is. Click that link at the bottom. It's your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed Sunday.